In this video, we're going to learn the volleyball positions and volleyball court. A standard volleyball court is 18 meters 59 feet long and 9 meters 29.5 feet wide. The net separates both teams. The net is 2.43 meters high for men and 2.4 meters high for women. It is placed vertically over the center line. The attack line. It separates the front court from the back court, and a back row player cannot legally attack the ball above the net unless they take off from behind this line. The right back position, also known as position 1 or zone 1, is the one on the right side of the court in the back row. It's where the setter typically starts the game, and the player who rotates into that position is also responsible for serving. This position allows for a more balanced offensive lineup with 3 front row attackers. Right front position, also known as position 2 or P2, is on the right side of the front row. This position is typically occupied by the right side hitter, also called the opposite hitter, who is responsible for attacking and blocking on the right side of the court. The middle front position, also known as the middle hitter or middle blocker, is located in the center of the front row. This player is typically the tallest on the team and is responsible for both attacking and blocking. The left front position, also known as position 4 or the outside hitter's position, is the location where players typically attack the ball from the left side of the net. This position is a key offensive role, with the outside hitter often receiving the most sets and taking the most attacks. The left back position is a defensive position on the back row, specifically on the left side of the court, often referred to as position 5, P5, or zone 5. The middle back is located in the back row, specifically in the center. This position is often occupied by the Libero, a back row specialist, or other defensive players. The primary responsibilities of the player in this position include defensive play, serve reception, and back row attacks.